Hey guys, it's your favorite Naya here, and I'm back with another video, back with another one. For one, let's get into these locks. I need your help. So I tried to make these brown lashes and I don't know how I feel about them. Like, I feel like they're blending into my skin. So I already know you click on the video to see how to do these bomb butterfly locks. So that's what I'm here to give to you. Before you even watch this video, go ahead and subscribe. I'm gonna give you a minute. Have you subscribed yet? These are the packs of hair I used. Overall, I did use 2 packs to complete this hairstyle. This is the Expression Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist Hair in 24 inches in the color 1B. The only thing about this hair, since I did shorter locks, I could have gone and opted for the 12 inches. And I found that the shorter the hair, the more hair comes in the bundles. I would recommend if you're doing it this short, just go ahead and buy the 12 inch. To part and put my hair in braids, I just use a regular rat tail comb. The edge control that I use to define my parts and slick my parts down. The Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil 48-hour edge control. I always use this when I do braids and I love it. It gives you a good slick and it's not too hard on your hair, but it kind of melts onto your hair like an oil, but it's still firm hold. You do need a crochet hook to actually hook the hair through. I promise you every hair store sells this. It's probably on Sam Beauty also, but this is just a regular crochet hook that everybody uses for their hair. When I was finished with the hairstyle, I did go in with some mousse. This is the one I used. This is from Bronner Brothers. I believe that's how you say it. I just call it BB mousse because that's what's on the bottle. This is my favorite mousse to use. You could use any mousse that you really want to. And the final product I use, which is optional, is just an oil for my scalp. My favorite oil for my scalp is peppermint oil. And last but not least, this is the edge control I use. This is the Style Factor Edge Booster edge control. This video will be broken out into 3 different parts: the braiding, the wrapping, and the results. So thank you in advance for watching and I hope you enjoy. To do kind of a talk through of the hairstyle. So basically you just put the crochet hook through the base of the braids and you pull the hair through. I'm just separating the hair so it's fluffed out, and then I just start wrapping at the base. I wrap really tight just so that it doesn't slip out my hair, just that the lock doesn't come undone. And then I just take my thumb and kind of put it halfway between the hair. You could see in the video, I don't know how to really explain this, but you basically making a loop and then you just wrap the hair around the top and the bottom of the loop. You could do that part in whatever part of the lock you want to. There's not like a specific way. I just kind of wing it and see what I think looks good. And then when I get to the length that I want, I just kind of wrap back up. And I rub it in my hands to seal the end. That's really all you have to do.
in my business. You be all in your feelings. I been all in them trenches.
I really hope you guys learned and enjoyed from this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, you did, so thumbs it up. I know you already subscribed because earlier in the video I told you to subscribe and you did, right? Right. So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace. Island Girl out.
My chain dance on my head big, my top heavy, I let it down. See me shining, they hating on me, they mean mugging, I let them down. She call me Poppy, I'm popping now. Hoes happy, I'm hopping now. Money talks on the only thing these broke boys should be talking about. They talking greasy, we eating healthy, we getting wealthy, you see the difference. Blew her back, then I blew her off. She salty, now she can't be the missus. My partner's country like cornbread. In the city plotting on long bread. These niggas out here going broke, trying to do the shit that they song said. I'm a once in a lifetime flex, never leave lifeline sex. Hit her with the nighttime text, got no time to fight while I stress. I be dripping, baby. Fucks that I used to get missing lately. They acting iffy, he different, ain't he? Hop in the coupe and we dipping, baby. Yeah, the inside be looking like chicken gravy. In my vision hazy, know they hungry and hideous. Ride for